Let's learn about RIME Score. I'm a maintenance manager, and our team needs a better way to start prioritizing our work. The RIME Score feature in MPulse is exactly what we need. Sadly, no relation to BUSTA, RIME is ranking index for maintenance expenditures. This tool is going to let us prioritize our work based on the activity we are doing and the criticality of our assets. To set up this process, I'll go to the main menu, Management Tools, Workflow, then RIME Score Settings. This is a setting that can be enabled or disabled. I just click the edit icon to make changes. Here's where I can enable and disable. This chart is pre-populated with different task and asset criticalities. I have task criticalities like breakdown, safety, regulatory, to preventative maintenance, down to general work on backup equipment. My asset criticalities range from assets that shut down the entire plant to support equipment, down to buildings and offices. While these values are pre-populated, I can make changes to fit our organization. The criticality value ranges from 10 as the most critical down to 1 as the least critical. RIME is calculated by multiplying the task criticality by the asset criticality to give us a score ranging from 1 to 100. If I scroll down, I can see the color codes have been applied to the criticality ranges. These can be changed to fit our organization as well. Enabling the backlog factor will add points to my RIME score based on overdue work orders. The default calculation will increase my RIME score by 1 point for every day the work order is overdue. Again, this can be changed to fit our organization, but my score does cap out at 100. Now that my RIME score settings are configured, I can set up my maintenance tasks and assets. In the main menu, if I go to Work Orders, then Maintenance Task Records, I have a new field labeled Criticality. This is a drop-down field that displays all of the values we configured in the RIME score settings. I can set the criticality unique to the different tasks our maintenance team completes. If I move to Capital Assets, I'll find a criticality field on all of my asset records as well. I'm looking at my equipment records and can see the field with the values we set in our RIME score settings. Again, I can set the criticality values for all of my assets. Our organization has quite a few assets and maintenance tasks, so I did verify with MPulse that we can use Data Link to import this for a faster update to our records. After I set up the criticalities on my maintenance task records and my asset records, I can see the information reflected in work orders. At the top of the screen, my RIME score displays next to the ID and description. I can see this work order is due today and has a RIME score of 64. If I click on the score, I can see how this number is calculated. This pop-up shows my task criticality, asset criticality, and backlog age adjustment. If my work order goes overdue, I can see that my score changes. One thing I really like is that we can add this RIME score to our list view layouts. This makes it really easy to sort and filter our work based off of the RIME score. This tool is really going to change the game for us when it comes to prioritizing our work in the maintenance department. Thanks, MPulse. For questions about this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@impulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.